Hello foodies, today I'm going to share a special recipe of this Ramzan month which is a delicious mutton halim. So let's start the procedure one by one. Here for 750 grams of mutton, take a 5 tablespoons of broken wheat rava, 2 tablespoons of barley beans, 2 tablespoons of masuri dal, 2 tablespoons of tuvar dal and 1 tablespoon of basmati rice, 1 tablespoon of roasted chana, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal and 2 tablespoons of moong dal. And finally add a few cashews and almonds. Here all the ingredients of this need to be added as per the quantity of the meat that you have taken. If want, you can skip moong dal and roasted chana. Transfer all the ingredients in a bowl, add water and wash twice or thrice so that it flushes out all the impurities. Continue to add 2 glasses of water and soak around 1 hour. If you have time, let it get soaked for more than 2 hours. Now let us make a Haleem masala powder, which is major step. Take 1 tablespoon of black pepper seeds, 2 inches of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cardamoms, 6 cloves which is long, 1 big cardamom, inch of dry ginger, 1 star anise, 1 tablespoon of shajira, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, small stone flower and 2 bay leaves. Get ready with all these spices because it brings out an amazing taste to the halim. Take all these ingredients in a hot pan and make a dry roast for 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame till it reaches to the aroma flavor. Here after dry roast, transfer in a plate, let it get cool down for a few minutes and then take in a blender and make a smooth powder. Here halim masala powder is ready. Place it aside and get ready with the next step. Next, take a pan and add half cup of cooking oil and let it get heat. Meanwhile, take a 4 big size onions and chop them in a thin slice and add in a pan when oil get heated. Make sure that you fry in a medium flame till it reaches to the brown shade. This take around 8 to 10 minutes to get deeply fried. Here this is how the color has been changed. Slowly transfer in a plate and place aside so that it is useful to garnish at the end of the recipe. Here after 2 hours it was well soaked, rinse out the water and transfer in a pressure cooker. Add 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Here add 1 1/2 glass of water and 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker so that it cooks well. Allow it to cook in a medium flame for 2 whistles. Here it seems like all the dals were well cooked. After reaching to the room temperature, make a smooth paste by transferring in a blender. If not, with the help of the masher, you can make a smooth paste. Now place this bowl aside and take a pressure cooker. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and 3 tablespoons of ghee and let it get heated. Here continue to add 1 cardamom, inch of cinnamon and 3 to 4 cloves and 1 chopped onion. Let it get fry in a medium flame and add 1 1/2 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Mix gently and fry till it reaches to the light brown color. Here after reaching to a brown shade, add freshly cleaned mutton pieces which is 750 grams and mix gently and cook for 5 to 10 minutes in a medium flame so that it releases the water from the meat. Here after 10 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and half tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Continue to mix for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, add 1 full cup of curd which is dahi and a handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves. And add halim masala powder which is previously prepared. Here adding curd and halim masala powder, it really brings out an amazing taste to the recipe. After mixing gently, add half glass of water and place a lid at the top of the pressure cooker. Cook for 10 whistles, 5 in a high flame and remaining 5 in a low flame. After 10 whistles, meat was well cooked and transferred in a bowl to get mashed with the masher. I think this is the hardest time of halim because it takes little time to get mashed smoothly. Other than this, everything is easy so that you can easily make in your home. Finally, everything mashed smoothly. Next, take a deep pot and add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and let it get heated. Here after getting heated, add smoothly mashed mutton and previously prepared mixed dal. Continue to mix everything gently. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes by keeping in a medium flame. For a good consistency, add 1 1/2 glass of water and mix continuously. Meanwhile, garnish with the fried onions and 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi for a very good flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. If want, you can replace with the rose petals so that it brings out a very good texture to the halim. Now place a lid at the top and cook for 20 to 25 minutes in a low flame. After 25 minutes, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee at the top and garnish with the fried onions and few coriander leaves. After mixing everything gently, finally add fried cashew nut at the top of the halim. Here our delicious recipe mutton halim is ready, which is our Ramzan month special. If you like this recipe, give a big thumbs up in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes.